Settled at the foothills of Western Ghats, located in a sprawling 52-acre campus in Kovaiputur, Coimbatore, Sri Krishna College of Technology is a vibrant institute of higher education established in the year 1985. An extra mile of freedom to explore, to collaborate, and to challenge oneself is the hallmark of the college. Sri Krishna College of Technology is an autonomous institute affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. The college lays strong emphasis on collaborative research and stands apart from other institutes by its participatory work culture, student care programs, and high industry interaction. In a span of 35 years, it has emerged as one of the premium engineering colleges for learning, discovery, and innovation. The college is accredited by NAAC with A grade. The college offers 7 undergraduate programs and 6 postgraduate programs in engineering, technology, and management studies. The clean and hygiene college campus is famous for its natural beauty and climate around the year. Passion for excellence is what drives everyone at SKCT. SKCT was also awarded the second rank in Utkrishit Sanstan Vishwakarma Award 2020 by AICTE. Adding further to the laurels, the Institution Innovation Council of SKCT has bestowed with 5-star rating by Innovation Cell. The college is ranked among the top 200 by the National Institute Ranking Framework, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. SKCT houses smart classrooms which are well ventilated and equipped with the latest audio-visual facilities and smart boards. Students are provided with technology-enabled learning and 24/7 teaching and learning environment through Google Classrooms. Outcome-based education, choice-based credit system, and industry-oriented curriculum and the syllabus are the key aspects of teaching learning process at SKCT. Product development centers and prototype laboratories in every department help students develop their ideas and provide support to real-time social and industrial problems. Libraries are an indispensable partner for study, teaching, and research at every campus. SKCT Library stands one among the biggest libraries in Coimbatore with the state-of-art facilities for comfortable access of knowledge resources. It houses spacious and comfortable reading, periodical reference, and technical sections. SKCT is known among its peers for consistent and top placement records. An exclusive career guidance division functions within the campus which does exactly the same. More than 200 plus companies from both core and service-based sectors pour in as recruiters for students at SKCT. Learning and development phase of students at SKCT are facilitated through andragogical teaching and learning process with frequent industrial visits, industrial training, and internship programs. SKCT has an ecosystem helping in overall personality development of students. Group discussions, extramural lectures, snap talks, theatre club performance, and individual blogs contribute in the enhancement of the communication and leadership skills among its students. Life at SKCT is always educating, entertaining, and enthusiastic. SKCT offers students various platforms through vibrant clubs and associations to develop their professional and personal skills. The overall personality development of an SKCT is taken care by activities carried out beyond the curriculum. It is not enough to be compassionate, you must act. At SKCT, students are made to act, involve, and encouraged to participate in activities creating social, economic, and environmental awareness. Sports are about those incredible moments where sheer human will and desire overcomes the odds. These are the moments we remember. State and national level tournaments at SKCT for students around the year provides every student at SKCT. An exclusive gym and fitness center along with yoga hall housed within the campus takes care of the students' health and fitness. The college also provides clean and hygienic hall of residence for boys and girls, a place where student makes memories for a lifetime, a home away from home. At SKCT, we've got some famous chefs and hangouts helping students with delicious food around the clock. Food court at SKCT, a place where friendship flourish and at the time ideas on innovations too. An exclusive amenity center is also housed within the campus for immediate requirements of the students. If you can dream it, you can do it. SK City, a place to make your dreams come true.
Hi, my name is Aslam Khan. I am coming from Presidency High Secondary School, Pondicherry. My project topic is Safety Risk Box for COVID-19. A COVID-19 is a common type of virus which infects our throat and nose. It widely spread from China. During this pandemic situation, we have to prevent ourselves from COVID-19 by following few steps like wearing mask, sanitizing ourselves, social distancing and so on. So we came up with an innovative idea to create a small gadget which prevent the COVID-19 and other communicable disease. No need to carry any preventive materials individually in our backpack. And it can be wear like a watch and it do multiple tasks. Our first gadget is hand sanitizing device. This device provides a sanitizing liquid directly in your palm by pressing a switch. The materials are container, pump motor, output switch and a battery. When we press this button, the gadget provides the sanitizing liquid directly in your palm and we can rub it. Our second feature is object sanitizing device. This device used to sanitize our electronic product because the sanitizing liquid not directly sanitize our electronic product. The ultrasonic mist maker disc convert the sanitizing liquid into a mist. The sanitizing mist can sanitize our electronic product and gadgets. And our third gadget is social distancing sensor. This gadget provides a buzzer sound when a person comes nearer to 1 meter. The materials are ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Nano board and a buzzer. And our third gadget is temperature checking sensor. Our final gadget is body temperature checking sensor. This sensor is used to check the body's temperature and the room's temperature. The materials are IR temperature sensor, OLED display, Arduino Nano board. By this action, we can check the person's temperature and a room's temperature. The OLED displays the calculation of a temperature. Let's come to the conclusion. The gadget is very smart and handy and it can wear like a watch and it do multiple tasks. The gadget is not only for COVID-19, it can prevent other communicable diseases. We took a survey of 50 people, they gave positive comments. The weight of the product is 110 gram. The length is 7 cm, breadth is 5 cm and the height is 2 cm. Thank you.